Hello, this is Thomas. I am the founder and CEO of the organization Lawfirms-Live. In our endeavor to teach the principles of sales and marketing to lawyers and law firms, we are starting our first video series. Today's topic is sales versus marketing. In the general industry itself, people use these words sales and marketing almost as synonyms. But are they synonyms? So we will explore the first part. Is sales and marketing one and the same? What are their requirements? What are their objectives? The second part of this video we will focus on which is important for a law firm. Is it sales or marketing? As you are aware and as we know, the Bar Council of India does not allow law firms to market themselves, to sell their services, do advertising, etc. But if you look into marketing, the marketing can be divided into two parts. One is the outbound marketing and the other is the inbound marketing. Outbound marketing means doing your promotion on a billboard, carrying out a TV advertisement, a radio advertisements, etc. Such type of outbound marketings have been completely prohibited by Bar Council. However, if you look into the other part, the inbound marketing, certain inbound marketing activities are allowed by the Bar Council. For example, you can have a website, you can have a brochure for private circulation, you can create content marketing, provide knowledge through newsletters, etc. You can have social media platforms where you can provide knowledge to your potential clients and clients. So certain inbound marketings are allowed by the Bar Council. So when we say marketing, when Lawfirms-Live say marketing, what we mean is, the definition of Chris Do, the founder of the creative agency, The Future. He defines marketing as providing value to the potential clients and clients in the form of entertainment, information, or inspiration. So when we say marketing, it is providing information to clients and potential clients. Now, let me give you an example. A potential client wants to do an M&A transaction. He or she goes to Google, types in the keyword M&A transaction, Indian law firms. The Google picks up 10 law firms. The potential client goes through each and every law firm. Out of the 10 law firms, the potential client has selected 5 and the potential client calls up the law firm and fixes meeting with the managing partner or partner. Now, for the meeting, the client comes to the office. The managing partner or the partner meets the client, talks about the transaction, addresses all the doubts, queries. The partner and the managing partner asks certain questions to the client. The client also provide answers to the same. The client feels that this is the best law firm to carry out the services. Then a deal is closed. The first part, going to Google, searching for a M&A law firm, and your law firm comes in the first page of the Google. That's because you have optimized your website for the Google to find you. That is search engine optimization. The potential client looks at your website, the aesthetic sense of the website, the way in which the information, your experience, testimonials, etc. are provided in the website. That's the marketing part. The second part of client coming to the office, discussing with the managing partner and the partner, and the managing partner and the partner convincing the client that ours is the best law firm to carry out the services for you. That is the sales part. So I believe you have understood the difference between marketing and the sales. When the potential looks at your website, looks at your brochure, etc., what is happening is that he or she is communicating with your brand. Marketing is always the communication from brand to the person. On the other hand, sales is the potential client coming to the office, talking to the partner and the managing partner, and the managing partner and the partner convincing the potential client that we are the best to carry out the services. So that is always a communication between people to people. Sales is always a communication between people to people. So we can say marketing is always storytelling. This is our law firm, these are the services that we do, this is our experience. On the other hand, sales is asking question, answering question, and convincing the client. Marketing is always an art. You look at the aesthetic sense of the website, you look at some of the communication materials, you look at some of the graphic designs you do in the social media platforms. It's always an art. On the other hand, sales is max. It's always numbers. This much we have made this month, the next month is the target, and we are going to achieve our target. So it's always numbers. Another difference between sales and marketing is that in terms of marketing, it is always the services or the law firm that you put first. This is our experience, these are the transactions that we have do. The communication message always talks about the experience, testimonials, etc. It talks about the services that the law firm provides. But in terms of sales, it's always the people. For example, you have the best services, you are the best law firm. But if the partner is not able to convince the potential client, the deal gets stuck off then and there. So for getting a deal done, the first is that the partner has to sell himself. Then he has to sell the services, and then he has to sell the law firm. So it's always the people that comes first. The difference of sales and marketing is that the sales can always have a linear effect. On the other hand, the marketing can have an exponential effect. Linear effect means if you want to move the revenue from 10 crores to 12 crores, or if you want to move the revenue from 100 crores to 110 crores, that can be quickly done if you can activate your the sales part of your law firm. However, in terms of marketing, what is happening is that marketing takes time, but it can have an exponential effect, not a linear effect. At this juncture, what is coming to my mind is the Nike ad campaign. Nike was a $800 million company, and then they started the Just Do It campaign. And did you know where it has taken Nike? Nike became a $9 billion company. So if you can provide a good marketing message, it can have a very exponential effect. I hope you have understood the difference between sales and marketing. Now we come to the second most important part of this discussion, which is important: sales or marketing. I am a fan of marketing. I know how marketing can drive exponential growth. And if you read Peter Drucker, the famous sales guru, he also says that for a organization, the two things needed are marketing and innovation. Look at the latest trends. Amazon, the number one company in the world. Amazon doesn't have a sales team. It is purely marketing, AI-driven marketing. So the trend is to concentrate more on marketing. But for me, for a law firm, sales and marketing are equally important. If you can have a good discussion, arrive at a good marketing strategy, and if you can communicate your marketing messages through your website, to your brochure, to your social media, etc., you can get a very good flow of clients. And if you train your partner or the managing partner get trained in closing the deals, you can always have a one-on-one closing. What do you mean by one-on-one closing? You talk to one potential client and you convert that potential client to client. You talk to 10 potential clients and you convert the 10 potential clients into clients. So it's a 100% success, which is known as the 1:1 conversion. So concentrate on your marketing messages. Concentrate on delivering this marketing message to the ideal clients. Train your partners on closing the sales. In fact, we will itself come out on some videos on how to close a sale. We look forward to sharing those videos with you. So whatever help you require from our side, please let us know. We believe we have given value to you. If you would love to get our videos on a daily basis, if you are watching us on LinkedIn, please click on the follow button. And if you are watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our video series. Every day we will come out with a video to educate the lawyers and law firms on principles of sales and marketing. Thank you for your time.